Hey everyone, welcome back! Today we're putting the two biggest monsters of mobile gaming head-to-head, the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 versus the MSI Titan 18 HX-AI. These are desktop replacement titans, but which one truly wins in 2025? Watch till the end before you buy. I promise you'll know the definitive winner. Latest prices and deals are in the description. Don't forget to like this video, it helps a ton. When comparing the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 2025 and the MSI Titan 18HX-AI on the fronts of build quality, design, and port selection, it is immediately clear that both are premium, large form factor desktop replacements, yet they approach their aesthetics and utility differently. The ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 presents a chassis that successfully blends gaming audacity with a professional edge. Its construction utilizes a mix of high-grade aluminum and reinforced polycarbonate, resulting in an outstanding build quality with minimal flex, weighing in at a relatively solid 3.1 kilograms. The design is defined by bold, purposeful gaming elements, most notably the Anime Vision display, a custom LED matrix on the rear of the lid that allows for personalized animations and logos, shifting the laptop's appearance from stealthy to a full-on gaming spectacle in seconds. This is complemented by an RGB light bar and customizable zone lighting, making the Scar 18 the more expressive and visually customizable of the two. In contrast, the MSI Titan 18 HX-AI leans into its status as a pure, no-compromise mobile desktop replacement, and its design is inherently constrained by the need to house maximum performance components. It is significantly heavier, weighing nearly 8 pounds without its massive power brick, signaling that portability was intentionally thrown out the window. While the Titan's aesthetic surprisingly tame compared to flashier limited editions, it still maintains a powerful sci-fi-inspired style with an illuminated MSI logo and heavy venting. Its size and weight emphasize its role as a halo product and a machine that belongs on a desk, making a more imposing and less visually flexible statement than the Scar 18. Moving to connectivity, both machines offer a comprehensive, modern port selection befitting their high-end status, but the arrangement and specific choices show minor differences. The ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 places the bulk of its I/O on the left side, featuring a robust setup that includes two Thunderbolt 5 USB-C ports, one USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 port, a full HDMI 2.1 FRL port, a 2.5G RJ45 Ethernet jack, and a 3.5mm combo audio jack, along with its proprietary 380-watt power connector. The right side holds two additional USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports. This is a setup designed for maximum speed and peripheral support, with top-tier wireless connectivity via Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. The MSI Titan 18 HX-AI matches the Scar 18's forward-looking standard by also including two Thunderbolt 5 ports. However, it provides a different mix of legacy and creator-focused ports, including three USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports, an HDMI 2.1 port, and notably an SD Express reader, which is a significant addition for content creators not present on the Scar 18. It also has an RJ45 jack and a combo audio jack. Overall, both systems provide elite connectivity with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, but the Scar 18's focus is slightly more on pure, high-speed connections, while the Titan integrates a dedicated card reader to better serve the workstation-level performance it aims for. When comparing the screens, input devices, and battery longevity, both laptops showcase elite components tailored for high-end gaming and creative work, though they optimize for different aspects. The Scar 18's display is centered around a higher refresh rate for pure competitive gaming, while the Titan 18 prioritizes maximum resolution and sharpness for detailed workstation tasks. The ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 features an 18-inch QHD+ 2560 by 1600 ROG Nebula HDR mini LED display, a panel designed to deliver stunningly smooth motion and cinematic contrast. The key feature of this screen is its 240 Hz refresh rate and 3 millisecond response time, which, combined with G-Sync support, makes it ideal for high-speed, high-refresh rate gaming. It supports Display HDR 1000, achieving over 1000 nits peak brightness, deep blacks, and excellent color accuracy, covering 100% of the DCI P3 color space. Its mini LED implementation is top tier, with minimal blooming, and the matte finish is effective at reducing reflections. In contrast, the MSI Titan 18 HXAI also utilizes an 18-inch mini LED panel, but it opts for a much higher 4K plus resolution, 3840 by 2400. To achieve this resolution, the refresh rate is reduced to 120 Hz. Like the Scar 18, it features a 1000 nit HDR peak, over 1000 local dimming zones, and 100% DCI P3 coverage, making it incredibly sharp, bright, and excellent for HDR and creative tasks like 8K video editing and 3D rendering. However, the Titan 18 has two significant omissions: the lack of G-Sync and the absence of advanced Optimus, meaning the GPU switch requires a system reboot, a baffling decision for a flagship machine. This makes the Scar 18's display superior for the core gaming experience due to the G-Sync and 240 Hz pairing, while the Titan's screen is arguably better for non-gaming creative work that benefits from extreme resolution and sharpness. For their cameras and audio systems, both laptops offer quality that meets the modern standard for video conferencing, but the Titan 18 edges out the Scar 18 in speaker setup. The ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 is equipped with a 1080p IR webcam that supports Windows Hello facial recognition. The image quality is clear and color-balanced for streaming and video calls. It doesn't match the 4K webcams found on some high-end creator laptops. Its audio system is a quad-speaker setup powered by Dolby Atmos, delivering surprising clarity, crisp treble, and punchy bass, loud enough to fill a medium room. The MSI Titan 18 HXAI also includes a 1080p IR webcam, but it adds HDR support and a physical shutter for enhanced privacy. The audio experience on the Titan is more advanced, featuring a comprehensive 6-speaker system consisting of 4 2-watt speakers and 2 2-watt woofers, which suggests a richer, more powerful soundstage than the Scar 18's quad-speaker array. Regarding input devices, both manufacturers provide premium experiences, but they differ in keyboard switch type. The ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 utilizes a full-sized RGB membrane-style keyboard, one of the best in its class, offering deep key travel, precise actuation, and a comfortable layout including a dedicated number pad and 5 programmable macro keys. Lighting is handled by PerKey RGB with Aura Sync. The large glass touchpad is smooth, accurate, and responsive, with haptic feedback and full Windows gesture support. The MSI Titan 18 HXAI distinguishes itself by offering a cherry ultra-low profile mechanical keyboard with PerKey RGB. This mechanical keyboard provides a more tactile and arguably more precise feel favored by many enthusiasts, contrasting with the Scar 18's excellent membrane design. Like the Scar 18, it features a comprehensive layout and a large touchpad, completing the high-end desktop replacement feel. Finally, battery life, while poor on both due to their immense power, is somewhat better than expected for the size of the components. Both machines feature large batteries, with the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 using a 90 watt-hour battery and the MSI Titan 18 HXAI using a slightly larger 99 watt-hour battery. The Scar 18 delivers approximately 6 to 7 hours of light use, 3 to 4 hours of mixed use, and under 1.5 hours of heavy gaming, with ASUS recommending that users plug in during gaming. It comes with a 380-watt power adapter but supports up to 100-watt USB-C charging for lighter tasks. The Titan 18, being a larger machine optimized for workstation tasks, has its portability compromised by its massive size and heavy power brick, suggesting its 99 watt-hour battery life performance would be comparable, if not slightly shorter under full load given its focus on extreme performance and higher resolution display. When examining the core performance components of the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 2025 and the MSI Titan 18 HXAI, both machines stand at the pinnacle of mobile computing, yet they feature slightly different processor models and storage philosophies that impact their editing and gaming capabilities. The ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 is equipped with the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX Arrow Lake, a 24-core, 32-thread chip designed for hybrid performance. This CPU offers desktop-grade clock speeds and supports Intel's new AI Boost NPU, which is specifically highlighted for enhancing productivity and accelerating creative workloads such as photo editing, video rendering, and AI-assisted effects in applications like Adobe software. In synthetic benchmarks, the Core Ultra 9275HX consistently leading the pack in both single and multi-core performance. This is paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU featuring 24GB of GDDR7 video RAM. For content creation, the Scar 18 leverages this powerful pairing alongside high-speed DDR5 RAM and a PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, which achieves read-write speeds of around 7,000 megabits per second, a considered choice for balancing speed with thermal efficiency. This configuration effortlessly handles demanding creative tasks like 8K video editing, multi-layer Photoshop work, and complex 3D modeling, making it a robust powerhouse for professionals. The MSI Titan 18HX AI features the brand new Intel Core Ultra 9285HX, also a 24-core chip, 8P plus 16E, that boasts boost clocks up to 5.5 GHz. MSI positions this processor as a crushing force for gaming, multi-threaded workloads, and heavy background tasks. It is also paired with the top-tier NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090, giving it the highest possible gaming performance available in a current laptop. However, the Titan 18 takes its editing and workstation capability to an extreme level through its memory and storage configuration. It ships with 64GB of DDR5 memory, upgradable to an almost absurd 96GB, and features a unique storage setup of 3 NVMe SSDs in RAID 0, which delivers staggering sequential read speeds of up to 18GB per second. This massive throughput and memory capacity make the Titan 18 a serious workstation machine specifically geared toward tasks like local LLMs, 8K video editing, heavy 3D rendering, and intensive AI inference workloads, often exceeding what most premium laptops offer. When it comes to the gaming experience, both machines promise an elite, uncompromising performance thanks to the RTX 5090. The Scar 18's QHD Plus display, combined with G-Sync and a 240Hz refresh rate, creates a gaming environment where the RTX 5090 easily exceeds 150 to 200 FPS in modern titles with full ray tracing and DLSS 3.5 enabled, focusing on high refresh rate competitive play. Conversely, the Titan 18's 4K Plus display, while only 120 Hz and lacking G-Sync, still provides exceptional native performance at a higher resolution, benefiting from NVIDIA's advanced technologies like DLSS 4, frame generation, and multi-frame generation, appealing more to a cinematic ultra-high-resolution gaming experience. So, who wins? For the absolute best, no-compromise workstation power, especially storage and RAM, the MSI Titan 18HX AI is the king. But for the superior overall gaming experience, better portability, G-Sync, and 240Hz display, the clear winner for most gamers is the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18